Welcome back to the exhibit chamber. Have you ever wondered how forensic scientists ensure that analysis of the evidences collected from the scene of crime leads to justice? In today's episode, we'll uncover the 7 fundamental principles of forensic science, the bedrock of every criminal investigation.
Curious to know what forensic science really is? Forensic science is a multidisciplinary field which involves the application of scientific techniques to investigate crimes and analyze evidences to aid legal proceedings. So the first principle is the principle of individuality. It states that no two objects in this world are exactly identical. For example, fingerprints. Next is the principle of exchange, formulated by Dr. Edmund Locard. It states that every contact leaves a trace. For example, a burglar breaks and enters through a glass window and unknowingly leaves fibers from his clothes while picking up glass fragments. This trace evidence can link the suspect to the scene of crime. Up next is principle number 3, the principle of comparison. Unknown evidence can only be analyzed by comparing it with known standards. For example, if we find a fingerprint from the scene of crime, we have to take fingerprints from the suspects for comparison with the question sample. Moving on to the fourth principle, the principle of analysis. This principle emphasizes that we have to follow scientific procedures for collection, preservation, and analysis of evidences. For example, a blood-stained shirt should be completely air-dried and then packaged in a paper bag. Any mishandling can lead to contamination and can compromise the case entirely. Next is the principle number 5, the principle of probability. It states that all identifications, definite or indefinite, are made on the basis of probability. Like the probability of a DNA match occurs 1 in a billion. Moving forward to principle number 6, the principle of progressive change. It states that the appearance of an evidence changes with the passage of time, and the speed of change varies depending upon the object. For example, a scene of crime containing a dead body, if not secured within a particular amount of time, will start decomposing. Up next is the 7th and the final principle, the principle of circumstantial facts. It states that facts don't lie, men do. Forensic investigations is all about maintaining integrity, which are governed by these 7 principles.
So now you know all about the principles of forensic science. We will be back soon with another informative video. Until then, like, share and subscribe to the exhibit chamber.